Hey guys, welcome back to the another painting tutorial. I am Mrugla and in today's video I gonna show you this beautiful pine tree tutorial. I gonna show you my 4 easy steps which is I follow in my paintings. And let's get started. I am using synthetic round brush size 8. Nice and pointy tip. For the paper, I am using Arches cold pressed watercolor paper 140 lb. Step 1. Painting tree trunk. For the trunk, I am using raw umber and little bit of water. I am using the tip of my brush from the top and dragging the belly straight through the trunk and adding some extra color to make it fuller in the downside of the trunk. Adding some secondary stems using the tip of my brush, adding very thin wiggly lines and holding my brush very lightly. Remember, these stems are going downwards to the angular shape. Whenever I am painting these secondary stems, I keep in my mind it should not be on the same position or symmetrical. Let's have a rough idea. Painting the tree trunk and painting both left and right secondary stems on one position. This doesn't look so natural and it's completely wrong. Let's see another one. I am painting the tree trunk. One secondary stem on right side of the trunk and another one on left side of the trunk on another position. Some of the smaller stems, some of the longer. It's like a zigzag. And it looks so natural. Step 2. Adding the highlighted leaves. I am mixing lemon yellow and very little bit of sap green and little bit of water. Starting from the top using the tip of my brush, adding some dots or leaf shapes. Somewhere using the belly of my brush, wiggle my brush and adding some highlight to the top of the secondary stems. Step 3. Adding some mid-tone. For the mid-tone, I need little bit of ultramarine and sap green. Mixing these colors with a little bit of water like a milky consistency. Start from the top and remember not to go on the highlighted leaves. Adding this color under the highlighted leaves and following the tree trunk in the mid section of the tree. Using the tip of my brush or sometimes the belly of the brush and painting some leaves. Wiggling my brush and following angular direction and painting the leaves. Step 4. Adding the darker tone. I am mixing sap green and ultramarine with a thicker consistency and very little bit of water. Applying this color in the middle of the tree using the tip of my brush for some smaller leaves. following the angular direction and adding some of the left side and some of the right side, and make this tree fuller. Thank you so much for watching this video, and bye.